it's your lucky day. Allah opens and expands your heart to accept and adapt. So many times we hear halal haram, we shrug our shoulders and move on. Maybe today is the day that Allah Azza wa Jal would make you be reborn again in an Islamic sense. So when we hear the hadiths of the Prophet ﷺ, there's so many, invoking Allah Azza wa Jal, making dua to Allah. What is our stance with such dua? What do we do? First of all, we have to benefit from it the most. Why? Because this is a revelation. This is our religion. Whatever the Prophet ﷺ uttered, whatever came from his mouth is Islam. He told us ﷺ that I was giving the Qur'an and similar to it, and there is the Sunnah, and we cannot separate them. They must go hand by hand. So whenever the Prophet says ﷺ something, we have to abide to it. We have to hold on to it. We have to understand and comprehend it, because on the day of judgment, either it's going to benefit you or it's going to be against you. So first of all, we have to benefit from it. Second of all, what we learn from this hadith of seeking refuge in Allah, the Prophet ﷺ used to seek refuge from Allah in a long list of things, a lot of things, of being a coward, of being lazy, of doing things, of being unable, of debt, of wealth, the evil of wealth, the evil of poverty, old age, so many bad neighbors. What should we do with these things? First of all, we have to acknowledge that the Prophet ﷺ was saved by Allah from the trials of this dunya. So neither wealth nor poverty would affect his heart ﷺ. Then why is he seeking refuge in Allah? One, to teach his ummah. So we have to learn from what he had done by following his footsteps. Two, by acknowledging the dangers of the things that he used to seek refuge in Allah from. Because he would not seek refuge from mosquitoes, from flies, from ants, from dirt. These are trivial things. He would seek refuge in Allah from serious things. Thirdly, fourthly, who's counting? The Prophet ﷺ is highlighting a very important issue that we tend to neglect, and that is the power of dua. We always put dua at the bottom of the list of our priorities. So if my child is sick, what do? Take him to the doctor, buy medication, try to measure his temperature every 5 to 10 minutes, do all the necessary means to get him cured and healed. And at the end of the day, I may try for ruqyah, I may try for dua. Maybe it works. But when? At the end of the